Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you 10 websites that will pay you daily. 10 companies that you can get paid daily. If you start working with this company, you're gonna be getting paid daily. So before that, my name is Emmanuel. I'm an internet marketer. What I do in this channel is that I make videos on how to make money online. So what I do is that I verify things online, I try things online. So if I find out something working and something working for me, I'll show you guys. So by encouraging me, all you need to do for me is just to smash that subscription button and turn on notification, so that anytime I drop a video, YouTube will actually give me a notification that I've actually dropped a video. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you 10 websites that pays daily, 10 companies that can pay you daily. So guys, the first website here is CPA Grip. As you can see right here, CPA Grip. So the CPA there means cost per action. In this website you can get paid by getting action done, like email submit, zip code submit and others. So in this website you can promote offer, you get paid. So if I scroll down right here, you can see what the inside look like. So you can see what the inside look like. So you promote offer in this website, you get paid. So you can be cashing out daily. So to sign up, just come right here, they say join now, click it and sign up. So it's it's not like that hard to sign up. So or you can go to YouTube and search CPA Grip review. So you see step by step on how you can sign up. So it's a great website that pays daily. So the number 2 website here is Crossoff. So Crossoff is a transcriptionist web company. You can get paid by this company by typing out what you hear. So if you are someone who can listen to audios, if you are someone who can listen to videos, if you are someone who can listen to conversation, so you can be able to work with this Crossoff. So to get started, just you need to scroll down here, all the way here. So if you are from US or Canada, you can click this first one that say get started US or Canada. Or if you are not from there, you can click on this one that say get started international. So that is it. So to know more about Crossoff, just click on the here where they say that they say welcome, and it will right here you can see, you can read more about them. So this is a great website. You can be cashing out your money daily. They pay daily. So it's one of the best websites. So the number 3 website here is Kumi. Kumi is an online service that allows you to earn a modest amount of money online from combination of searching, shopping, taking surveys. So with Kumi you can get your earnings paid daily. So to get started, just put your email, password, just click here where they say allow Kumi to send you email regarding. So just after that you click on this sign up. So it's very simple to sign up. You can make money with this website. It's a legitimate website for you to make money online by doing surveys. So let us move on to number 4. So the number 4 website here is Enably. So this is a website that can get paid by watching videos, taking tasks and survey, and you can also get paid by referring people. As you can see here, they say earn instant reward by completing tasks, watching video and taking surveys. So to sign up, just click on this and here where they say sign up. So it's very simple to sign up. So in this website, you can be cashing out daily, depending on how you put in work, depending on how you work. Depending how you work, if you reach their maximum this thing, you withdraw your earnings. So you can cash out with PayPal, Amazon, and others. So as you can see, they say share your unique referral link with your friends, family, and followers, and you will be earning 10% from their earning for life. So anything they earn, you'll be and they'll be rewarding you with 10% of their earning, people that you refer. So you can see what we're saying about the okay. So it's very simple to sign up. So that is it. So let's get to number 5. So the number 5 website here is InstaGist. InstaGist is a website that pays to do websites. They pay for downloading apps. They pay for clicking on websites. They pay for doing survey, taking tasks, watching video, and so many bunch of work that you can do there and get paid. So to get started, all you need to do is just to put your username. Your username can be your normal name or your business name, or you put password, confirm your password, put your email address, and click on this sign up and get 10 free points. So as you can see here, they say completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, searching the web. So it's a very legit website that pays you, and you can cash out the money daily. So depending how you put in work. So let us move to the number 6 website. So if I'm actually giving you a value in this video, all you need to do for me is just to smash that subscription button and turn on notification, so that anytime I drop a video like this, YouTube will actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video. And don't forget to give me a like in this video. So all these, some of these websites, I'll be leaving the links in the description. So the number 6 website here is Scribia. Scribia is a transcription service. You can get paid by this platform by typing out what you hear. So like audio, videos, and others. So for you to improve your earnings with this site, you need to invest yourself by typing courses. That will improve your speed. So and Scribia, they pays quickly, and with this platform you can get your earnings paid daily. So to get started, you need to come down here, come down all the way here, come down all the way here, all the way here. Okay, you can see here where they say sign up as a transcriber. So just click here where they say sign up as a transcriber. So you sign up and start making money with this platform. So the number 7 website here is PaidViewpoint. PaidViewpoint is a mega recharge survey website. You can earn through doing survey in this website. So it's very simple to sign up. Just click on this login here. Just click on this register. So you register, you can get your earnings paid daily. So it's very simple to sign up. So depending on how you put in work. So it's very simple. It's just to do survey. So the number 8 website here is Quick Reward. Quick Reward is a platform that enables you to earn cash in return of doing some various online tasks, such as completing survey, shopping online, watching videos, playing games, completing offers, and doing other bunch of work, as you can see here. So, and this one has been around since 2002, and they have paid over $7 million to its members. And with this site, you can get your earnings paid daily. So to get started, all you need to do is just click here where they say join. So you click it and sign up. After signing up, you go to your mailbox, confirm your email, and then start making money with this website. So let us move on to number 9. So the number 9 website here is TryMyUI. But TryMyUI is a platform that enables websites and mobile apps owners to learn about users' experience. So with this website, you can get paid by testing websites and mobile apps. So it's not like that hard to test websites and mobile apps. So, and each test can last between 20 to 50 minutes, and you can get paid like $10 for each test. So, and they will pay you through PayPal. So if you want to know more about this website, just scroll down here and watch this video here. So, and here what you can see here, they say watch the video. So watch this video here. And so to get started, just click right here, and just click here where they say get paid to test. Sorry, I don't know, I have done mistake. Just click here where they say get paid to test. So it will load. So you come here, fill the information, fill your full name, your PayPal email, so your password, confirm your password. Click here where they say I'm not a robot, then submit. So it's very, very simple. So that is it. So as you can see, they say you'll be paid $10 for each test you take, and a typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes. Sign up now and start making web a more user-friendly place. So that is it. So let us move on to the number 10. The number 10 website here is genius.com. So genius.com is a company that specializes in song lyrics. So people actually come to this website to know lyrics to a song, or just want to know a little or more about what an artist is saying. So your work there is to be transcribing music for them. So it's to transcribe music for them and you get paid. So to get started, just click here where they say sign up. Just click here. Or if you want to know more about this genius.com, just come down here. Just scroll down all the way here. And just click on this about Genius. So you can find out more about Genius. So that is the last website. So if I actually give you a value in this video, all you need to do for me is just to smash that subscription button and turn on notification. So the next time I drop a video like this, YouTube will actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification. Thank you.